Let's identify this component. It is connected in power supply circuit. Symbol on the PCB is diode. There is no component marking. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. While working on a power supply circuit, I found these two components were installed in that power supply. One component on this module and one component on the power supply circuit near the PWM controller. On both locations, the component marking was diode on the PCB, but it is not diode. In resistance mode, if I connect across this component, it is showing 5 ohms, 6 ohms, and its resistance is varying. We can see when I touched it to this component, its resistance is increasing. If I will heat it up, we can see its resistance is increasing. It is PTC, positive temperature coefficient, PTC thermistor. If we check this one, at room temperature 6.6 ohms. It is 5 millimeter disc size, 6.6 ohm at room temperature, positive temperature coefficient thermistor, PTC thermistor. The strange thing that there is no marking on this component. Yes. Now we will check its polarity. So it is not a polarity sensitive component. So we identified this component as a PTC thermistor, 6.6 ohms, 5 millimeter disc size. Thanks for watching.